I think I got it to work. This one is the ESP8266. The pins are connected to the relay, and then it's connected to the 12-volt supply, power supply, which controls this guy, which is a linear actuator. I was able to hook it up to my smart home. Open chicken door. Oh, it's that close. Open. What? Alright, so it's timed for 10 seconds, I think. The next step is to add limit switches so we know exactly when to stop. I can also manually control it. Sky is the limit after this point. It also has an internal limit switch, so it won't go any further even if the power is still going in. And that thing keeps going. Keeps getting bigger. So she said. Alright, so even though the relay is still on, which means the power is on, it stops. So turn the relay B. Now I can automate it with whatever the heck I want. I can hook it up to the time of the day. I can hook it up to whether it's sunny or outside or not. That is my yeah, it's basically this guy. Stop the relay. There you go.